Hello and welcome to SANTI'S. Today we're gonna do a three unboxing in one. So let's begin. The first item is gonna be the new iPhone 16 Pro. This is how it's gonna come. See. The box is gonna come like this. This is the iPhone 16 Pro, and we're going to pair that with the screen protector. All the links are gonna be in the descriptions. Let's try this screen protector. The iPhone Pro, and we're gonna do the Spigen case. I've been using this brand for years and never had any problem. I recommend them 100%. So let's see how they work out, how they fit and all that stuff. Gonna be unboxing. So the first thing that gonna be unboxing is the iPhone. Need to rip this off here, like that, and the other one like this. Now let's reveal. Look nice. This is the screen. I'm gonna remove this in a second to do the screen protector. It's gonna come with a nice braided cable. It's not gonna come with charger, but it's gonna come with the cable. USB-C to C. C to C. Like that. Really good quality. Okay, let's put this to the side and let's open the case we're gonna use for that. Come like this. No instructions. You don't need instruction for this. Just a simple case. You peel some of the protective shields that it has here. See? It's gonna be like that. And now let's do the screen protector. There's this one, UltraGlass Screen Protector. Let's open this baby up. See what is inside. And I'm going to install it. Supposedly this is super easy installation. For these who are looking to get the screen protector nicely, the box is super secure. Let's see. Supposedly they include two of them here. They include two of them, so it's supposed to be easy. Get one of the screen protector here. See, it has two of them. The other one. Oh, one of them is already installed here. Yeah, one of them is already installed here. And this is the spare one here. See? Then you reuse the orange adapter. So let's see how it goes. and it's gonna come with some kits. I don't going to use any of this because the phone is brand new. So, but if you already had you already removed the cover from the factory, you may need to use the you know, one of these to clean it and stuff. But I'm gonna be using that one for now because mine is brand new. So let's see how I'm going to, let's say here, scrap the, oh, it's gonna come with the nice scraper. Look nice so far. Let's see. So this is supposed to be simple. You put your phone right there and then pull these. I'm gonna remove these protecting film and quickly put the phone right there like that. Line it like that, and now you need to pull this area here. Now you need to pull it, and it's supposed to do it. See, now it's doing it's getting all over the place. See, now with this squeegee you help it. Help to get all the bubbles out. Like that. There you go. In the corners. I still see like one here. There you go. Squeeze out now. It's out. And if there's a little one, it's gonna go eventually. So we remove these. Oh, we need to pull this on top. Oh, remove it. Be back. Remove it from the base. See, it's gonna be like this. You remove it from the base, and now you pull this off, and it's supposed to be. Wait, still have like a couple of bubbles here. That's gonna go away, but eventually. And now like that. See, like the factory. Nice, really nice. So now let's put it on the case. Remove this protective film. This will have the magnet ring right there, also to attach to the phone. And fit like always, nice and snug right there. Beautiful. Now you can protect your investment. I'll remove this one, and voila, beautiful. And this one have like an edge here, so that way you protect the cameras. See, and it sit nice and flat. Nice. There you see it, guys. iPhone 16 Pro combined with the Spigen. I'm gonna have all the links from Amazon on the description. And this screen protector that it look really nice. It's super simple to use, and it feels super good quality. I recommend it. And of the phone, I'm gonna have some links, affiliate links. I will appreciate if you guys can If you buy it from using my link, I will get like a small commission to help to keep the channel going. So again, don't forget to check all my other stuff. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye now.